The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of natural health remedies, and we're shining the spotlight on one of nature's hidden treasures, soursop. This tropical fruit isn't just delicious, it's packed with amazing health benefits that might surprise you. From boosting your immunity to supporting your heart, soursop has it all. Stick around to learn why this fruit deserves a place in your wellness routine. Here are 10 health benefits of soursop. Graviola. Rich in antioxidants, soursop contains compounds like quercetin, luteolin, and tannins that help neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall health. Supports immune system. High levels of vitamin C in soursop boost immunity by promoting the production of white blood cells and protecting against infections. May have anti-cancer properties. Some studies suggest that soursop extract can inhibit the growth of cancer cells due to its acetogenins, which are believed to target specific cancer cells. Improves digestive health. Soursop is rich in fiber, which aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes a healthy gut. Helps manage blood sugar levels. Certain compounds in soursop may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for those with or at risk of diabetes. Promotes heart health. Soursop's potassium and magnesium content help maintain healthy blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties in soursop may help alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and reduce overall inflammation in the body. Boosts energy levels. Soursop contains natural carbohydrates and vitamins like B1 and B2, which help combat fatigue and enhance energy. Supports skin health. Its high vitamin C content promotes collagen production, helping improve skin elasticity and combat aging. Aids in stress relief. Soursop has mild sedative properties that may help reduce stress and promote better sleep quality. Always consult with a healthcare provider before using soursop as a treatment, especially if you are on medication or have existing health conditions. We hope you enjoyed learning about this tropical powerhouse and how it can transform your wellness journey. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips.